Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. Another, boom, big old box. Amazon Prime unboxing to do. It is Tuesday the 10th. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. This is coming from my good friends over at Shilucheng on Amazon. It's something kind of cool. We're going to get inside right now. Oh boy, we got a big old box. But here we go. They have to offer you guys. Boom, one more cut. I'll get this done quickness. You can see what it has to offer. Okay. One more cut. There we go. We got it open. Oh boy. What is this? Oh jeez. Oh, pretty heavy. They got another box inside of a box, guys. There you go. Oh boy. We got the Shilucheng. Thank you, guys. We have. Oh boy. Look at this. Boom. It's coming out of the box. It's alive. We made it. Extreme opening right here. Definitely gonna be interesting to see what it is. There we go. We got the cut right there. Uh-oh. Cut right here. Whack. I don't know what happens to my scissors. I gotta get a new pair. I gotta get a backup. There we go. Alright. Alright. Sucker is huge. Oh, we got the king size comforter. Boom. The big one. Oh boy. Now this is going to expand out. I'm going to try to show you guys how it expands. It's pretty cool. It's like those bed in the box type deals where they suck it in. Airtight. Kind of like to do with the jerkies and stuff. Oh, hear it? Ooh, la. There's where all the magic happens. Once you see it rise. It's rising. Oh, this is soft. Look at that. This is Egyptian thread. 1800. Super soft. Super cozy. Oh, man. This is nice. Uh-oh, watch out, YouTube. Whoa. Almost knocked you guys over. Oh, this is like the padding. It has deep pockets. I don't need that anymore. Look at that. Boom. I'll definitely have it hooked up on the bed in a minute. Just let me let it deflate. But right here, Egyptian thread. Look at that. Really nice. This is the bottom side. I'm going to flip the bed and be with you in 1 second. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we are again. All set up. Ready to go. This is the king size Shilucheng comforter. Egyptian thread. Really nice. Nice. Super soft. It's like sleeping on a cloud. So really good stuff. All you gotta do is click on the links below. Take advantage of the Amazon Prime. Get a good deal right now. And I think I have a discount code down below also. So check them out. There's the threading. All Egyptian. Nice stitched. So soft. Can't believe how soft it is. Hey, there you have it, YouTubers. The Shilucheng king size mattress comforter. And you guys have a good one. Be safe, and I'll see you guys soon. See ya.